How do you use watchpoints in GDB for debugging? Have you ever found yourself puzzled over why a variable in your program suddenly changes its value? If so, you're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and that's where watchpoints in the GNU Debugger come into play. Watchpoints are a handy feature that can help you pinpoint exactly when and where a variable changes during program execution. Let's break down how to use them effectively. First, to set a watchpoint, you simply use the command watch followed by the variable name. For example, if you want to monitor a variable called myvar, you would type watchmyvar in the GDB command line. This tells GDB to pause the program whenever the value of myvar changes. Next, if you want to see all the watchpoints and breakpoints you have set, you can use the command info breakpoints. This will list all active watchpoints along with their assigned numbers, making it easier to manage them. If you find that you no longer need a watchpoint, you can disable or remove it. To disable a watchpoint, type disable followed by the watchpoint number. Alternatively, if you want to completely remove it, use delete followed by the same number. After setting a watchpoint, you can continue the program's execution by using the continue command. GDB will automatically pause when the watched variable changes, allowing you to investigate the issue right at the moment it occurs. You can also set watchpoints on expressions, not just simple variables. For instance, if you want to watch the sum of two variables, you can type watch xy this way. GDB will stop whenever the value of that expression changes. It's good to know that GDB tries to set hardware watchpoints first, which are more efficient. If there are no available hardware watchpoints, GDB will use software watchpoints, which might not be as precise, especially in multi-threaded programs. When using watchpoints, keep in mind the scope and lifetime of the variables you are monitoring. Watchpoints on local variables will be removed automatically when those variables go out of scope. However, watchpoints on global variables will remain until you remove them or the program ends. In multi-threaded applications, hardware watchpoints can track changes across all threads. But software watchpoints only monitor changes in the current thread, which means they might miss changes made by other threads. Using watchpoints is particularly useful when you suspect a variable is being altered unexpectedly. Instead of placing breakpoints all over your code, a watchpoint allows you to focus directly on the variable change itself. For example, if a variable's value gets corrupted, setting a watchpoint on it will pause the program right at the instruction that caused the modification. This gives you a chance to inspect the call stack and the variable's state at that moment. In summary, watchpoints in the GNU Debugger provide a focused approach to debugging by allowing you to automatically detect changes to variables or memory locations. This method works well alongside traditional breakpoints, giving you a more data-centered way to track down programming bugs effectively.